Jason Davis, owner of Forte Commercial Cleaning in Salt Lake City, Utah, have been making national news for their inclusion and creating job opportunities for homeless people.
At first, working, there was just a few people approached us that were, struggling, experiencing some homelessness, needed to make some money, and didn't see it as a big deal. Hired them, and then, but as we continued to work, they started referring more people over and started kind of sharing with us, their experiences, and so we really kind of started focusing on that.
Jason was stuck at his dream job in banking and decided to quit without a backup plan.
I got right into banking, did commercial banking, investment banking. Just got really, really burned out with the 9-to-5, office environment. Ended up leaving that, just, really quit pretty abruptly. Didn't really have a plan. My wife and I just started looking at business opportunities. She had a friend of hers did some commercial cleaning with some local businesses, and we just looked into it, ran the numbers, looked at different types of businesses, and felt like there were some good opportunities in the commercial cleaning space. And so that's kind of what led us into it.
Since 2019, Forte has held the cleaning contract for the Delta Center, home of the Utah Jazz. This attracts over 100 people a night. People keep showing up because Forte offers same-day pay.
With the background in commercial banking, I know of some creative options to, kind of financial wise, AR financing and things like that we can use to get money in the door. Even though we're billing our clients every 30 to 60 days, we can get some money when we need it, and then pay people as fast as we can, and make sure we always, I was surprised that's a pretty big thing when I first got into the industry, just making sure people get paid. And that's it sounds pretty simple, but they love that, and I think that's a big reason to why they come back and refer other people.
This month's new episode launches on Wednesday, April 24th. You can listen to us on Spotify, Amazon, iHeartRadio, Apple Music, or wherever you get your podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a 5-star review today.